Zuri, the friendly dragon, lives in a sunny valley and loves village kids as friends. One day, Zuri wakes up with a wobbly baby tooth. He feels scared and flies to the river, crying softly. Little Mia hears him and runs over. She pats his big green nose. "Friends help each other," she says. Zuri shows his loose tooth. Mia calls her friends Timmy and Leela. They plan a fun hunt across brook, hills, and mushrooms. They splash through the giggling brook, laughing, climb Flower Hill, picking daisies. Zuri sneezes sparkles. Everyone giggles. Yum, berries! At Mushroom Circle, they find the shiny tooth. Yay! Mia makes a flower necklace for Zuri. His new tooth gleams rainbow bright. Kids ride on Zuri's back, whooping with joy. Now Zuri visits daily, teaching kindness. Friends forever in the sparkling valley. The end.
In a sunny farm so green and wide, Marinda found a garden to spy. Gate swings wide, veggies dance with glee. Welcome, we are organic, chemical free. Carrot cheers, no yucky sprays here. Wormy wiggles, compost makes soil clear. BB zooms, I pollinate with gold. Fruits grow, sweet stories yet untold. Seeds like stars in compost bed. Carrots pop with happy heads. Big orange friends sweeter than treats. Organic magic, nature's beats. Sneaky weed creeps, I'll take your spot, but Marinda says we will not. Rotate plants like a fun game. Switch weeds, go poof without a glitch. BB buzzes, bugs fly away. Garden grows big every day. Pull juicy gems, crunch, yum yum sound. Healthiest food is all around. Share with friends, tummies full and glad. Strong kids, happy earth not sad. Organic garden, worms and bees, nature's way. Hip hip hooray. Planet smiles from up above, thanks for kindness full of love. Come again soon, plant your own organic joy you've always known. Marinda, grow and glow, organic adventure, go go go.
Once upon a time, in a bright blue lagoon, lived a tiny duckling named Dippy. Dippy loved the water. Today was special because his mommy was teaching him and his siblings how to dive for shiny pebbles. "Quack, quack," Dippy cheered, splashing
Dippy
his little
held on
orange
tight
feet.
as they zoomed
Everything
over
was
the
sunny
blue
and
waves.
perfect. But the ocean is very big, and Dippy swam a little too far. Suddenly, the sky turned gray, and a giant wave bigger than a house went whoosh. It swept poor Dippy away from the lagoon and out into the deep, deep blue. "Mommy, help!" Dippy cried, but his family was just a tiny dot on the horizon. He was all alone and very scared. Just as Dippy started to cry, a big friendly fin popped out of the water. It was Bobo the dolphin. Bobo had a heart as big as the sea. "Don't be sad, little duckling," Bobo clicked happily. "Climb on my back and hold on tight to my fin. We are going on a super fast ride." Bobo zoomed through the waves like a rocket. Zip, zap, zoom! Dippy felt the wind in his feathers. In a flash, they reached the lagoon. Mommy Duck was so happy she did a happy dance. Dippy gave her a giant hug and whispered, "I am safe now, Mommy." Dippy learned that the ocean is full of surprises, but even in trouble, a new friend is always waiting to help. Goodbye, Bobo. See you next time. Meet Timmy, the boy who hates brushing teeth. Every morning he yawns, skips toothbrush and play. Mom shouts, "Timmy, brush!" but he giggles away. Deep inside mouth, yellow plaque monsters grow. Sticky goo castles, chocolate rivers start to flow. Round, googly-eyed blobs build sugar cube homes, candy tree forest where lollipop monsters roam. They dance party lights, turning teeth dull and gray. Timmy munches sweets, monsters cheer hooray. School friends yell, "Ew, stinky cheese breath spray." Embarrassed Timmy sees plaque spots mirror display. Sparkle Tooth Fairy flies in magical glow. Toothbrush sword ready, puts on brave show. Brush hard, Timmy, foam tsunami go go. Monsters slip screaming, floss lasso woe. Rinse clean water, plaque city falls down. Shiny teeth sparkle, Timmy wears victory crown. Now morning and night, Timmy brushes with song. Smile bright and happy, plaque monsters gone.